Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily download DaVinci Resolve. So all you have to do is just head over to the search bar and start searching for download DaVinci Resolve and just press enter. From here, we can see the black magic design link that says DaVinci Resolve download. Just click on this link. You will then be redirected to the download page of DaVinci Resolve. So let's just scroll down. So this is where we can start our download. All you have to do is just fill in all the necessary information such as your first name, last name, email, phone, country, street, city, and state. So the fields that has asterisk beside is required and that needs to be filled out. And once done, you have an option here to download on your Mac OS and download to your Windows, download to Linux, and even on iPad. So we're going to choose download on Windows since we're using a Windows PC. And as you can see, our download has already started. So once your file has done downloading, make sure that you extract the zip file by right clicking on the zip file, then click on extract all. Then just select the folder, then click on extract. So as you can see, we have already extracted ours. So what we're going to do is open this folder and of course run the application just by clicking on right click, then run as administrator. From here, just choose the necessary components that you want to be downloaded, then just click on install. Also choose the location that the application will be downloaded or saved, then just click on next. Then once done, just click on install. From here, we can finish the setup by clicking on finish. Here, just click on continue. You can head over to quick setup, but we can also skip and start right now. Our application is now starting, and just by that, we have now successfully downloaded DaVinci Resolve. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!